That snapped chain didn't fail. It sacrificed itself. You're mad at a piece of metal. But the metal was doing exactly what its engineers in 1992 begged it to do. Let's talk torque. Your legs are biological hydraulic pumps. You push pedals, chain transfers rotational force to the rear cog. Simple, right? Wrong. Every tooth bite creates a micro impact. That impact is the first bottleneck, so the chain handles the load. Great. Enter roller wear. The tiny cylinders inside the links spin under pressure. They don't just spin, they grind. Steel dust. Micro fractures. You're watching a slow-motion avalanche of metal fatigue. You slap on lube. You think you're done? Lube is a temporary truce. It washes off. It attracts grit. It turns into abrasive paste. Now your rollers are sandblasting themselves. Thermal efficiency drops. Latency spikes. The drivetrain starts screaming in frequencies you can't hear. So why doesn't the frame snap? Why doesn't your rear derailleur fold like a lawn chair? Because the chain is the designated weak link. It's a mechanical fuse. It absorbs the shock so your bones don't have to. It's not a flaw, it's a feature. You want titanium. Carbon, please. Those materials are brittle. They don't flex. They shatter. Steel yields. It stretches. It gives you a warning. A snap is a clean break. A shattered crank is a trip to the emergency room. Do the math. Here's the real bottleneck. Your legs can output peak watts that would instantly shear a perfectly lubricated brand new chain. The chain isn't failing you. You're overdriving it. You're treating a precision transmission like a sledgehammer. Classic skill issue. I see the comments already. Just buy a premium chain. Skill issue. Premium chains wear faster because they're softer. They're designed for smooth shifting, not structural survival. You want durability. Buy the steel sludge. Replace it. Ride. Weak design choices don't save you. What about belt drives? Silent, clean, indestructible, false. They stretch. They snap under torque. They cost $300, and if one tooth skips, you're walking. The chain wins on repairability. It's modular. It's replaceable. It's humble. But wait. If the chain is the fuse, what happens when the cassette gives out? The teeth sharpen. They chew through new chains like butter. Now you're chasing a moving target. Our transmission is a game of musical chairs, and the chain is always dancing. So stop crying over a broken link. The chain did its job. It took the hit. It protected your drivetrain. It preserved your sanity. You didn't lose a part. You gained a victory lap. Replace it. Ride harder. Let it snap again. Tell me I'm wrong. Tell me your chain never failed. Tell me you actually read the manual. I'll be down here with a new link, a rag, and 0 apologies. Drop your worst drivetrain horror stories below. Let's argue.